Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. It's a girl Steph Gold World. So, guys, I want to make some body scrub for myself, so I decided to share with you all. And here are the few things that we're using for today's scrub making. Here is my white sugar and brown sugar. It's the mixture of white and the brown sugar. The brown is under. I've already mixed both of them. I'm using sugar for my body scrub. This is how I used to do it. It's not an everyday something, just once in a while you do to scrub off all the dead skin cells, because it's very good. It's an exfoliator, so that other products you are using will be more active. Once you scrub your body, your products will be more active. It will work really well for you. So guys, this is my honey, olive oil, cinnamon powder. I don't have any flavor, I just want to use this vanilla flavor here. You can also add your own scent, anyone, but this is what available to me, so that's why I'm using it, just for the scent to be in it. And here is my sandalwood powder. This one is orange peel. It's very good for your skin. It's a skin exfoliator. This one is neem powder. It also works good on the skin against rashes and all stuff like that. It works very well for all the skin stuff, irritations and all that. And here is my turmeric. Here, oat powder. So, and this here, my lemon juice. I've already bring it out. And here I'll be using frankincense oil. All these things I'll be adding into this, everything perfectly well. So it's just a very simple stuff, very simple to make. You can do this at home and do it as you want. So this one is the things that I'm using for my skin. So, and if you want to check the kind of skin you have and know the kind of product you go for, do more research online to know what best suits your body, your skin. Sorry guys. So right now the ingredients are ready. Once everything is ready, all you have to do is just to be adding everything. After adding everything, you will mix it all together. So I forgot to tell you guys that I'll be using shea butter for this. Yes, I don't do without my shea butter. That's the main stuff here. Just already add everything together. So this is my oat powder, guys. I'm adding the 2 teaspoons. This oat powder works well, and exfoliant, very good for your skin and body. And here is my turmeric powder. I'll be going in with 1 spoon of it. Very good for your skin. Here my orange peel. This one is to exfoliate my skin. Just finished, so I'll be adding everything. Just a spoon of it. Orange peel powder. It's very good for exfoliating. Very nice. And neem powder. I'll be adding half this spoon. So here is the sandalwood. You can be adding it. This is too much. So guys, I'll go in with the cinnamon powder. I'm going in with a spoonful of it. So you just have to do this. Very simple and easy to make. All you need to do is just add everything. This is the oil. I'll be adding everything. I'll be adding all this oil because I want it to moisturize the skin very well, after applying minutes you'll be feeling your skin. I want it to be oily, very oily. So you add this. I'll be adding the olive oil, half cup of olive oil. This is half cup of the olive oil. So right now, let me go and get my shea butter. I'll be adding into this. Now it's time to go in with my honey. Let me also measure this cup. I want something that will moisturize the skin, you know, make it to look so succulent, smooth, soft, and beautiful. You also lighten the skin. This body scrub, it will lighten your skin, make it to look so, you know, so soft. Like, I don't know how to explain. If you try it out, you're gonna love it on your skin. Trust me, guys. So you have to mix all of these ingredients. You have to mix them all together. Be adding the lemon juice. It will be the last thing that I will add here. It lightens your skin, brighten it, you know, very good, full of vitamin C, full of it. You guys see how beautiful it looks. How to mix this and mix it very well. Seeing how beautiful it looks. You see how beautiful it looks. Make sure you. So now I've been adding this vanilla essence. This is the normal one they use for cake, but I'll just be adding it for, you know, for that scent, that vanilla scent. I'll mix it with the lemon. We'll mix it with the lemon. So I want the scent to come out. Just added 4 cups of it. Just added 4. So now mix it together and add it. This is the lemon juice and the vanilla essence. It's a very body scrub. Are you guys seeing it? It makes more sense now. Look at it. It makes more sense now. It makes more sense now. Just imagine when you apply this on your skin. Imagine that you apply something like this on your skin. How it will look like, what it looks like, you know. So nice. Our body scrub is ready. Let me bring it closer so that I can see it. Our body scrub is ready. This is what it looks like. You guys seeing it? Can't wait to apply this on my skin, and also know that the way you can use it for it to be effective on your skin. You first bait your normal bait. It's, you know, bait first, because you don't apply it on a dry skin. On a wet skin, bait not your normal baiting. Use your sponge, everything, bait normal. Wash off all the dirt on your body, and after that you begin to apply this scrub on your skin. Massage every part of your skin. And for me, I would prefer, like, maybe you enter bathroom, first bathe your body, then after that apply, you know, normal, apply the whole body scrub on your skin for 30 good minutes. Scrub your body for 30 good minutes highest, then leave it. Then maybe then you can now brush teeth, do whatever, you know, take your time, do other things you want to do inside your bathroom before coming out. And then after everything, you know, create another second one, you know, wash off all the scrub, you know, do everything, clean your body and come out. If you decide, you can just leave the water to dry your body. All good. When you come out, make sure to moisturize your skin with a good cream. Okay, so guys, tell me what you think about this, and if you love this, please make sure to try it out at home. Yeah, because this I love it. See you guys on my next video. Bye.